Hey guys, it's Maxine here again, and we're back with another part of my entire fidget collection. We're gonna do Talbot squishies today. This is absolutely insane. She needs help, she needs love. But let's get started. I have a whole bunch of these mini ones from Anger Baby. They're so cute. This is actually not a Talbot squishy. It's this really nice stress ball from Lala Chill. This bunny rabbit, oh my gosh, is adorable. This guy is so sticky. I only took him out of the bag once and I regretted everything. This one is just from Five Below, but it's actually really good. My toad. I think this one's my husband's favorite. The baby chicks are so adorable. This is another amazing stress ball from Lala Chill that I should probably put in a different drawer. My mom got me this cute little guy. Another amazing stress ball from Lala Chill that, again, should probably be in a different drawer. This bear one, adorable. I'm gonna have, like, multiple companies linked down below whose Talbot squishies I love. So you guys, if you're in the market for any, you can go to them. This is the teeniest, tiniest one. Cass got it for me. I now have extra bags, and I really should open this and put it in one of those reusable bags. And last but certainly not least is this waffle slice. But there you go, you guys. That is this part of my entire fidget collection. It is basically all of my Talbot squishies. Anyways, I hope you guys have the best day ever. Bye!